Welcome back to Everyday Mama. I'm Leanne, and today I'm going to take you on a walkthrough of our master bedroom and give you 7 tips on how we turned it into a retreat for us. The first thing you should notice as I'm scanning the room is that we kept it very minimal, much like we did throughout our house. When sitting down with my husband to ask him what he wanted in a master bedroom, he told me he wanted it to be simple and clutter-free. Because when you come in at night for bedtime, you really just want to be calm and not have any more stress around you. So that's what I did. We even kept an entire space next to our bed over here for stretching before bed. So we do some sort of yoga type thing, about 10 to 15 minutes. And it's great to just limber you up so that you will be able to sleep better. Having this space not filled with stuff has been very calming. Remember, you don't have to fill every space in your room. The second thing you'll probably notice is that we do not have a TV in our room. I feel like a TV sets off a certain kind of energy in a room that makes it harder to go to bed. Instead, we have this sitting area where my husband and I can come at night and just regroup as a couple, chat about our day in a calm atmosphere. And we have found that we actually really look forward to this time together. And I think that's important for a couple. I have this electric fireplace that does produce heat if you want it to, but we just turn it on for the ambiance, to be honest. Also very calming when you're laying in bed. This is an Amazon purchase, and I will link it below along with all the other products in this room in case you're interested. I purchased these sitting chairs from Wayfair, and I got this ottoman / side table from Ross. They have great finds. My husband and I decided to make a love corner. These are all paintings we've done together or pictures of things that matter to us and just mementos throughout our relationship and marriage. It is so fun to come over here and look through them and talk about those memories, and it really helps keep the marriage alive. Moving over to the bed, I just wanted to point out our headboard to you. I wanted to save money on the headboard so that I could spend more money on the sheets, because I think that that is one place that you should not skimp whenever you are creating a master bedroom. I think you need to have really extra comfy sheets because that's where you're going to be spending most of your time. So in order to do that, I made this headboard. Very simple DIY. I went to Michael's and got 3 2-foot by 4-foot canvases, left them in their wrapper, got them half off with a coupon, duct taped them together, and then wrapped them with padding and fabric. It was $60 total. And the thing I love about this headboard is that I can change it out. Another thing we do to help make it a retreat-like space is to add fairy lights. These are battery operated. They have different settings, so I keep the little remote on my side of the bed. But having this here at night with all the lights off, I mean, it's very romantic, but it's very calming. And also having the light of the fireplace. One of the other things we make sure to have in our bedroom to make it a retreat for us is a diffuser. This one came from Amazon. It can change colors if you want it to. I've got it on teal blue right now. But at night, we will diffuse Breathe in the winter or Serenity to help us fall asleep. And just this little diffuser puts off such a great mist. It really helps get you in the mood to go to sleep. And a lot of times, I'm just not ready to go to bed when it's bedtime. So sitting in the sitting area, having a glass of wine with my husband, doing a little bit of yoga to relax, and then putting on this diffuser has really made a difference. If you're interested in learning more about dōTerra oils, I will put a contact number down below and the link to the oils that we use. The last way that we make our master bedroom a retreat is one of my favorites, my reward tray. I've talked about this before in my master bathroom. I will link that for you. But having this on your bed with a glass of wine, a bottle of water, a good book, some of your favorite chocolate, just knowing that this is here waiting for you will make your day go better. Sometimes if I get up in the morning and I know I'm going to have an extra stressful day or an extra long day, I will put this tray out for myself. And as the moments throughout the day get harder, just thinking about that reward tray really helps. I recommend this highly. You could also put a game of cards here for you and your husband to play, or chips, whatever floats your boat, whatever your reward is. Oftentimes when people move into their new homes, they really forget about their master bedroom. It kind of gets put to the wayside. It's the last thing because honestly no one else sees it but you and your husband. But I think it is so important. Make sure that you're really thinking about the things that you need to help you get a good night's sleep, because that's what's going to fuel you for the next day. And also just being able to grow your relationship with your husband is an important part of life. Having the sitting area, having it be minimal, having the soft lights, the diffuser, the comfy bedding, and the reward tray have all helped immensely. Well, that's it for part 15 of my New to Nested series, the Master Bedroom Retreat. I hope you've gleaned some ideas that you can use in your master bedroom. Until next time, wishing you lots of simplicity, progress, and joy. Bye!